Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting ready to start another project. Actually kind of finished one up here. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the garden. So I was gonna do this off camera the other day. This other half, I've got all my buckets and containers and all that stuff moved over there on the part I mowed last time. And we're gonna get this brush hogged, but we're using this today. And we got the little 5-foot pool behind. Subscribers been on this channel, you know what this is. 6.5 horse Predator on an Allis Chalmers B. So I'm gonna knock this out. I'm pretty sure it'll do it, but this is thicker than last time I used it, so I think we'll be all right. We're gonna find out. So I'll set the camera up and we're gonna try this little experiment. So set you up, see you here in a second. All right, everybody, we got her done. I think it turned out quite nice. Got all that tall grass knocked off. It's all done, all finished. The garden's getting close. And I did it with this 212cc Predator, 6.5 horse. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Way cheaper than the WD. So, works really good on grass. Obviously, you're not going to go out and brush hog saplings, 1.5 inches around or something like a normal brush hog, but it works pretty good in grass. I've used it on few other things around here. Works awesome and real cheap to run. And I'm quite happy with that. So as you can see, I just went right through it. Just go slow, take your time, no big deal. The only thing with the drag type, if you'll notice, I kind of had to back up a time or two or take a wide swing. The only thing, these work good, and I like them because the weight's way back here, but if you take too sharp a turn, you'll bust that U-joint. So that's kind of why I had to swing around a little bit wide in this short area sometimes. But if you don't on them pull tops, you'll bust them U-joints. But anyways, I like it. I'm happy. I'm thrilled. It's working. One more thing we can do. Again, farming pennies on the dollar, you know. It's a lot cheaper to run that WD. That took quite a bit of gas to do that the other day. I looked in that tank, it probably took 2.5 gallons to do that little bitty area over there. So, and this gas hog I'm using over here, you know, I brought extra gas because I didn't know what I had. I brought my 1 gallon jug right there. Forgot to mention that a while ago. Still didn't have to get into it. So, but it's great, it's working, it's awesome. And I got one more patch I'm gonna do here when I get time, and we're going to try that one bottom plow behind this thing, see what it'll do. I'm really kind of anxious for that because I want to plant some corn this year for feed as well as eating. I'm going to try to find a good middle mix of corn. If you got any suggestions on the corn, leave me a suggestion. You know, one that grows big and good but still tastes good. I don't want field corn, you can't eat it, it's just nasty. But something that's good and sweet that I can eat as well as my livestock. I don't care, you know, just grind it up, you know, eat all I want and save some and heck with it. But you know, if you know corn, leave me a comment on what grows good, the biggest, what grows the biggest and grows the sweetest. I'll put it that way. I want right there in the middle, best of both worlds. So leave me a comment if you know. Otherwise I'll do some homework, see what I come up with. But for this year, probably whatever seeds I can get a hold of just to try it. But anyways, one last look on the garden. We're coming along, and I got that the other day. I'm gonna do that off camera behind those hydrants like I was talking. I'm still gonna get behind them, so I'll do that real quick and then go home, but I'm done. This is all cleaned. Eventually I'm gonna start laying some fiber down, and I won't have to move this stuff back and forth and mow this every year. It'll be a lot easier because this is a dedicated permanent garden. I mean, I fenced it all in and everything, and I can see it from the house back there out of the window, you know, varmint control. So anyway, again, she did good. Farming pennies on the dollar. Didn't cost nothing in gas, I'm sure. I should have filled it up and checked it before I come down here, but I just grabbed that jug and come on. So, but I know I didn't use much. So I guess that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. And brush hogging with a 6.5 horsepower Predator. Come on, give me a thumbs up. You know that's cool. And I guess that's it for this video. I'm going to cut it off. So as always, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Bye.